unlock 3 key concepts of Excel that are not explained properly anywhere else. Do you know that the majority of people who use Excel don't really know how to use it? Have you noticed that your colleagues, while working in Excel, are using a calculator for calculating rather than using Excel? That is a big sign that they don't know how to use Excel. They use Excel like word processor. They certainly know how to create a beautiful report in Excel, but the sad part is that their reports will take a long time to complete, and what is worse is that their reports will have errors. Moreover, since these users don't really know how to use Excel, their competence is limited, and therefore they are only capable of preparing very basic reports. The good news for you is that by mastering these 3 key concepts of Excel, you will be able to learn how to use Excel the way it was created to be used. You will then build a solid foundation to learn how to build powerful formulas capable of crunching numbers error-free and fast. Mastering these 3 key concepts of Excel will certainly end your struggle of working with Excel. Let me be honest with you. Excel is all about formulas. The more you know about how to build and combine them, the more powerful you become. That's why it is imperative that you master the 3 key concepts of Excel. By learning them, you will have a rock-solid foundation to build complex reports that will be essential for the business of your company, and as a result, you will become essential to your company. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any training course out there that clearly explains these 3 key concepts in detail. All of them briefly or inefficiently explain the 3 key concepts of Excel, and what's worse is that they don't alert the students about the importance of mastering them. That's why the majority of people are not aware of the importance of these 3 key concepts, and since they don't take the time to master them, they struggle with learning Excel or struggle working with Excel. Building formulas in Excel requires 2 things: basic math that you learned in your elementary or middle school, and only 3 key Excel concepts that you need to master. Our free Excel tutorial covers all of this. It starts by refreshing your memory in basic math and then explains in detail the 3 key concepts of Excel step by step. Basically, you don't need to know anything to join this course. If you are able to open Excel and enter some numbers, then you're good to go. After signing up, you will be able to watch these videos anywhere, anytime, and from any device. Microsoft Excel has become the most valuable tool in every workplace and a core requirement for every job seeker. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.